My name is Baby Bear. What's up, man? And my name is Giraffe.
Oh, so what can we do today? We should sing Old MacDonald Had a Farm.
Oh, that's a good one. Good one. Let's go.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-O.
And all that farm
Had a dog. E-I-E-I-O. Ruff, ruff here, ruff, ruff here. Here, ruff, everywhere, ruff, ruff. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Ooh, it's small. Ooh, let me try this one. It's small.
Oh, okay.
And it goes in a mud all the time. No. Mommy. Okay, it's something.
Alligator.
Oh my gosh. And on that farm we had a piggy. E-I-E-I-O. Of an oink oink there and an oink oink here. Here oink there, oink oink there, oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Oh, let's try this one. It's like a medium. It's medium sized. It's medium sized. And it has a hat, and it always grows corn all the time. Can you guess what it is? Oh, can you guess what it is?
True.
A farmer. Yeah. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Drew.
And on that